adune sir na hiram is ko noigi haziki ke do chart macha ma hadi page amada haji po ta kri chapter me am de page amabu pha do man de ya am hada sabak sawa hen I think song iraga du yuana te ko cheat notes ka have do dai to noigi nasagi sticky notes am noi thiet laga nung ti gi sum yenga sana na ba nasa isai to ke do ba sisi ke no have ne ba active recall ka have do nung ti gi num ur le ne ba ana for example chapter 1 gi the units and measurement haraga di first sir na ta ki do adu dum follow to ba yai ko accuracy le any accuracy matungda absolute error, relative error, percentage error, then combination of errors. So combination of errors ta nang error manga amuk sana kapthoga the first the kaidoba ngasagi sum difference product quotient the exponent ko adu me am do thammo formula me am do thammo adu error har gadi never minus to we are the difference to sunga ya de kai no di so yen so the kadai pu so be ya yen adu du ne ko yen is ko so sumain lay adagidi amana kari aziki ko adu leire then mathang da precision leire now precision je koina makal ani thokna yengbe no gi chemistry gi dana ke do we have the fluctuate to wo ko adu to dana ba haitare aduna no gi ziki ke do ba measurement ki values si ke hani yam kana fluctuate to do ko adum steady or lay chap chap mana draga su adu gi dusu instrument do faragadi magi measured values fluctuate to roiba instrument fatragadi measured values yam fluctuate to gani buka aduna adu dum leire and then I do ke consider yang mam aduga amana kedoba haziki akogi physics ki point of view dana ko again see the physics have a chemistry have a laite no gi NCERT textbook no sujaram da gi no da no gi physics chemistry khaido kwani again NCERT na ire na heta kino to ni have the natte ko haidi but no gi syllabus study at the base to ni na sumana khaibe wani ko so NCERT physics ki matung in di amuka precision si nasagi instrument gi list count kyam ku thano on ngami have the kaina so whatever so instrument aduna kaido we have the list count precision haraga mathak the list count and makadana kaido ba kai hazige aina kai word sina gi mai ka fluctuate to the ko haziki measured value adu yam fluctuate to and then adu dagi kai lai have the ngasai list count gi concept sidagi significant figures la in significant digits haigera ko aduna adu then adu gi matung dei kai dora dimensions le ko physical quantities and its dimension adugi du dam ko dimensional analysis later magi formula me am do blah blah on to I think that's chapter 1 of the lemari chapter 1 then chapter 2 the motion in a straight line there ni so motion in a straight line the noina kedo we have the acceleration kaino instantaneous velocity kaino ko aduna chingba instantaneous acceleration ko aduna kaino at a particular time the live acceleration but again instantaneous acceleration di pang hangoi instantaneous velocity di hangni kaino di instantaneous acceleration hangbe ya disi kaino ha matam da acceleration du change so re have never adu di at a particular instant ma acceleration du kya lein hadi yang kala poi chang du wa fix oidre ba aduna gari noina noi keno to wa gari msa to bolo ha hainabra Rosibla Sanjana Nibia
Hi, yes, sir.
Aya
Sir.
okay so adu di gari msa thoba ihan han thoba tamaku matamda keno neba kui cd wena thodam neba thogala amuk thelerong laitha amuk thogat amuk thoda ka adain to idana so adu kedo we have the acceleration do keno neba non uniform oi constant oi deba ka so adu gumba do the instantaneous acceleration amuk thokadi yani but there will be too complex so instantaneous velocity ka adumaina ama leibi ai ka pot se whole picture do ubatamo then the kinematic equations which are very important ka so kinematic equation ahum the base over question sida no icham chamba u pyramid b pyramid t puthona dana direct straight ta hanga question di yamna practice to no kana de ko adu di angang mucha class 7 8 ka bam the linear equation in two variables and tawraga x pyram y putho hai bu gumbai di adu aina adu chap mane ba yan dai ga ja natragana in three variables haraga x y pyram z putho hai ba y z pyram x putho hai adu chap mane ba now aduda kitang twist yaw question gaije time ni wakan khan ga do question gaije adu do hanjan practice to adu gi chapter du gi oina gyan tai ko ina haja motion in straight line gi kitang noida aduna noida fractal ga di keno tok solo tik tok solo adu ga sarna haiba sigi la eksi kana lay sise 37 years ki je NEET ki je Rosibla leibra Sanjana
Sir, MTG gidi nate ado question bank adaan tawba mawdi lay.
Okay, adu 37 years mak kena tau braba yaw braba plug Sanjana
37 di sudaw man.
37 sudah male ka Nibia Rosibla
Sir, 37 di layte.
Okay, adu di 30 ka kya 33 36 ha
Sir, 33 gida.
33 gida okay fine Rosibla sir na ne kena tau ke nang ngasi kena lakadra library lakadra
Sir, ay nga si Laoy.
sila o ya okay sir da sigi like se extra ne ko sisi
Sir.
id kena to nangi 37 gi like traga nang agam sisi kena to certain bala ke ko na adu nang si library lak to ga ding si pba ne adu nang si lak to ga heng lo ko
Hoy, sir.
sir na handak delhi da lak du da angang khana sir soin to ga manipur da irang lai bani na chen ba no deliverable oi na traga na matam am sang sang yen to ina kakpani ko adu da manipur da su kakpa yar ko ina extra oi na delhi su ani mak laksala ba da ina angang am da pi ge na khala lai bani tasing da ka lai ba angang da ko so rosibla na ngon pi ge odagi atai di ni biagi di yar ba
Sir, layte lay.
leitiya
Oh, sir.
adu keno ne bu ko si noi gi dine delhi da lai bai na nang si je chen ba da dum next day da
Oh,
deliver
sir.
to ka ne ba
Hoy, sir. Chen, sir.
chelo next day da na traga na 2 days maximum 2 days da deliver to ka ni aduga si di keno to haningi ko aina haidi magi fazana chapter wise khaido ga question je pi bani na si madi must ne na khali ko si ma sumsoi soi da na sina ga dam anyway akoi haro ni ba
Nate, sir. Hoy, sir. Hay bale.
oh okay yeah. Sila itu ngarang di sisi ini di screen share tahu terima leka okay fine so question C hot C itu question hot ring ada theory mati kam tahu sih kah natraga question ngarang kayo graph tu ko hana tenging siya ko into the position vector of a particle ka si kena to ba circular motion gi ka now circular motion si always koina circular motion da certain budi uniform circular motion budi takla ni bu ka but circular motion nu ne khanga do je circular motion hai ji kaino habada acceleration laiba circular motion da acceleration ji towards the center laiba ka sir kamaina no particle di center da paisi pasilakte kamaina no hai matam da acceleration gi proper formula si velocity change divided by time ko time duration auna final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time neba auna nangna final velocity suppose gi sida yamna ko yam small haidi tangential kuta ki small velocity lower ni then next moment da amma small low matam da moini gi resultant to towards the center da dum point to ni ko aduga adugi perspective yengasi ai natragana azigi perspective to the yengasi ai natragana mazi koina centripetal the circular motion amna chat ke har gadi centripetal force amna mazi tangentially pai gadabadu always sum chingjan bagi sumai pai gidabdu som da chingjan maina sumai pai gidabdu som da chingjan maina sumai pai gidabdu sida chingjan maina aduna mazi tangentially aseng badi adum straight pai thokadam ne ba tangentially but adum chingjan bagi towards the center adum force adum towards the center layeba aduna mazi the ga adum magi tangential direction je dum change taweba at every instant auna magi velocity direction je at every instant change taweba auna velocity is constant oideba velocity ki magnitude constant oibe yai but my direction do constant oideba auna as there is change in velocity ko sir kamaina direction change to sum change to hai duneba magnitude change to brogasu aduna magi acceleration lay hai duneba So acceleration ji kaino force ki direction dane force the mass na yele the acceleration tai dana ko and towards the center lay and always acceleration is directed radially kai inward manung da radially inward ko adwain lay gadoing. So position vector gi direction ga opposite of position vector is always directed outward ngai ko aduga centripetal circular motion da directed inward over ko. Okay, so kung ang tawag ito, sige ko siya napawdi tawag. Then just a moment, just a second. Audi, kung york ti sika yino kang muna, Rosma hoy kang budi, ni biya, sandana, ni habudi ma masangam de, makuk ko ngawa hebra kinum hay maleka. Rosma di pa phone bra.
Oh, sir, Rosma ju na ribbon.
Rosma ju na ribbon. Okay. Recorded session on yung journey ka. So question number si chapter ji kaino. Ako'y na tawag si kaino ngarang de. Stone ta. Nate asidi oramoida. Uniform circular motion na tawag leme ka. Projectile motion yaw leme. Ako'y na ngarang tawag question number karon mo no. Vector gi tawag dam na tra. Ay ngarang gito sige pa lang sung thar. Oh, asisira ako'y tawag 9 jira. Mani ka. Mani 9 jira.
Oh, sir.
Question number 10, a particle is moving such that its position coordinates are this, at time this, and this average velocity vector from time t equals. See, question number 10, see, sir, data honing bra, nung gadra, yung. Huh? Yung.
Ngamni, sir.
Ngamni ko, question number 10 siya. Okay, fine. Rosibla ma, network nung I train, kinatore, ito is, my screen do kayo talk train, screenshot. Anyway, kainin ito siya. So, okay. So, enter question number 10 sin kano gisu yani buko. Ni biasu yadra. Sundana su
Oh, sir,
yadra.
yarani.
Okay. Next question sidi. 11 sidi. A body is moving with velocity 30 meters per second towards east. After 10 seconds, its velocity becomes 40 meters per second towards north. The average acceleration of the body is. Si dingam gadra.
Oh, sir, si yarani.
Yani ko. Kay pandina. Kay pandi ba? Okay, fine. Asidi yam di live ko. Noina khanga gadi harone. Answer ji kay tadina. Option A, B, C, D. So hota bi hangam gadra.
Sir, 7 thadana tra.
7 meter kari per second square. Okay. Okay, fine. Kay you know?
Sir, sige. Plus tawraga time na yeladi.
Okay, so 40 plus 30 di 70. 70 divided by 10 di 7. Adu di oiroi. Adu di natte.
5.
Adu di oiroi. Moini si amana I get. Ha?
5.
5 tani buka. Okay, fine. 5 tadu si kumain no hero.
30 square plus 40 square by 10.
Exactly. Si se kano ne ko vector A minus vector B ki type ne ba aduna initial vector se v1 se si sina 30 I cap ne ba towards kai do ba kai hai initial se towards kai no is ni dana towards is se I cap ne lower se ba towards north sina j cap ne lower se ba adu gadi 30 I cap sina initial vector towards east and 40 j cap sina towards north sina final vector adi 40 j cap minus 30 I cap to buta argadi kai no have the root over 40 square plus 30 square minus Kedova twice 2 into 30 into 40 into cos 90 degree. Kay gino di I cap ka J cap ka. Ay the direction ani je is convert kay mark 90 degree lay dina. Ana twice AB cos 90 di cos 90 0 ni na adu loin chakra ni. Ana 40 square ga 30 square ga di 4 square 16 3 square 9. Adu 16 plus 9 di 25 root over 25 di 5. Adu 0 yaw na 50. Kedova ay na ja. Okay, again 10 na yen do ni na ko. 50 tare 50 du da 10 na yeladi kai tare 5 tare. Yare ko?
Also, yari.
Yare ko. Okay, fine. So mathang the question number 12, a particle moves in xy plane according to rule this and this the particle follows. Okay, see question je fazai. So CC yung sida x haisi kaino a sin omega t. A is in a radius or mani sin omega t is in a magi y component. Always sir nangrang hai give do. Kaino have the again in a vector the vector gi resolution in with the ta outro male ko. Resolution of vector kadai chakre aina namdu jikai dano plus natte. Oh, ngasi ni ka. Okay, fine. So resolution of vector shaji ipai vita to confirms. What happened shaji you in vita to resolution of vectors. Okay, fine, got. So resolution of vectors is the koina yung ko kitang chatage ka. Vectors is the kay lay have matam da koina we can resolve a vector in two ways ka. Number one, in 2D, two dimension. Two dimension we have matam da any vector sumaina OA or OP hai OP vector. So my P gi coordinates x and y ꯂꯩꯔꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯁꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯋꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ n ꯃꯥꯁꯤ theta angle z ꯂꯩꯔꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ I can always write this OP vector is equal to ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ x I cap plus y z cap but I can also write x as OP kaidoba cos theta I cap plus OP sin theta z cap. If it is r vector, then you may write r vector as r cos theta I cap plus r sin theta z cap. Yabra sise? Yagadra? Kayino kumdidia? Yagadra hangaga? Hello? Okay, fine. So, sir nazik hayam midu kayino habda resolution of a vector resolution of a vector z 2D dasu tawbe ai 3D dasu tawbe ai 2D da tawbe haragana pinus sumaina tawgudoi ko. So I kitang kina tawmalaba. Adagi 3D dasu tawgudoi ni. So 3D da tawge haragana kayino habda in 3D which okay, fine. Silere aduga in 3D ka. So in 3D 3 dimensions xyz ka. Aduna adudadi amka kamay tawzige habda koina silere kamay line je paigre. Silere then smile and colors and then vector is na c and colors ka. Durgadi so maji minus chalani and minus chalani pa aduga amaga ang lakani so sumain lakani and then siji sumain laga siji sumain lakani pa and we have the these are also all perpendicular lines ko all these are ID amana amasi perpendicular in the plane ne ko duna this is Z and this is Y ka and this is X ka so my leg aduna we have the, let's say this is O and let's say this is P and let's say this is my R vector. Now CC this vector CC khangde and I Q again. So aduna I can write my OP vector is equal to OQ vector plus QP vector. Yeah, but what are the coordinates of P? The X, Y, Z. Aduna kaidawi haiba matamda ngsaigi OQZD unga kai have the O ID ko. Let's say again this much is X, this is X ni ko. This is Y, XY and magi mapasida sisi mutatadi yaroy. Just a second. So sisi ini kitang pangalanan ko. Kaya na yan siya. Springs. So kitang sanggahan kita ng ito sa Android. Kitang tupigil ko. Sila hindi paydaw mali ko. Paydaw mali ko. So sisi na magkakaidawi ang matamda mazi sumailani. Timpa sila ko. So this much is Z na ko. And this is okay. So instead of writing X, Y, and Z, let me write this as I cap. My direction is I cap, and this is Z cap, and this is K cap. Kasi this is I cap, and this is Z cap. Yare ka. So sumain to una kitang pabra na kali ko sir na. Okay, yare. So adu ergadi kayo na habda sidain si bawsin na Z o tini ko dum. Aduna OQZ. OQ hariba vector z aina OX vector plus X cube. Haidi OX hariga sigi sidain si bawsidi Y sang sida Y sangadi sida su Y sangani na ko. Auna X I cap plus Y Z cap taiba OQZ ko. X I cap plus Y Z cap. This is my OQ and QP di kayo Q day na people di sige Z sang eba ko. Auna Z hariga magi direction upward nina vector nina kuina K cap harani eba ko. So I can write this as X I cap plus Y Z cap plus Z K cap and sumay na kuina and OP vector di R vector ka man ida na ko. So sumay na haibi eba. Now sige sida di na ka angle Z vector Z kado ba? Asagi I ga Z ga marakta no I ga Z ga nate R vector Z I cap ki the laibani theta laibani na do harani but sig sida di plane sida theta laibani na Z pudi R sin theta tarani ko but X di R cos theta taroi ko si sida di but anyway aina always kay habi ani hamatamda even 3D sida suna aina resolve to matamda 3D sida su ko sagi do si yam important no ko aina even 3D vector sida resolve to matamda su O R vector is equal to harga R cos theta ko have you and what is my theta? Theta is the angle between the given vector and the plane at xy plane ko. So R cos theta harga sigi direction is I cap J cap ti magti natre ko aduna kahani R cos theta harga OP cap hani plus R sin theta J cap hani ko. So sumale but again that's not very important but sir na the sigi resolution of a vector in 3 dimensions si takte habagi ena khanbai ko si takpani. So now let's do it. Auna sir na sida haining is a particle moves in xy plane according to rule this the particle follows what path na a sin omega t a cos omega t. So sigi si kayo ini khangbra haro
B.
B oidura. Okay, fine. A circular path ko. Very good. Kaigino haro. Why B? Ha. Okay, fine. Kaigino hai matamda ko sir dum hairage. Kaigino hai matamda ngasai koina kaino gido circle gido hai tare ko. Circle gi sida always magi coordinate se. Always magi coordinate si koina kaigumba sigi radius na A hoy matamda sina theta hoy matamda my coordinate se. When you have the A cos theta sina x orani and A sin theta sina y orani because A cos theta I cap plus A sin theta j cap ana high dene ko aduna x kina c y kina c. So the particle follows a circular path high ko, not parabola, not ellipse ko, and not a straight line either. So yare si simi halasi ai record tograba togre ko toguna tro ji recording le. I think so. Yeah, it's on record I guess. Come on. Yes. Now, question number 13 sitting on whether a particle starting from origin moves in a straight line in the xy plane. Its coordinates at a later time are this. The path of the particle makes with the x-axis an angle of and high. Sisi knowing on whether ngamgadro kumak track ngamgadra harga
Sir,
sanjanangam ni hai ba. Okay, fine. Ni biading ngamgadra sat khumo ba ngamni ngamo have do.
Sir, tawse.
Tawze ba. Okay. So sigi je sir de answer je dum yeng ba khangne ba. Kaino habada mai z akoina magi x coordinates na root 3 y coordinates na 3 ko yanda bra x absisa haigera y coordinate haigera absisa ordinate haiko ado coordinate and anima coordinate habi so x ko y ge root 3 ga 3 ga ni na 3 by root 3 tare bu ko tan theta di tan theta 3 by root 3 tar ga di mathak root 3 tar ba mathak root 3 tar ga di 60 degree option b je ta de 60 degree ngau bra yam thuman gra ba
Ngawde. Sir, tani sa tayo.
tai ko sumo hota bi adresa.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, never. So I know question number 14. A bus is moving on a straight road towards north with a uniform speed of this. Then it turns left through this. If the speed remains unchanged after turning, the increase in the velocity of bus in the turning processes. Okay. So increase in velocity increase. What am I increase the YZ final minus initial. Yareko. Kayam hingalay no agadi hanale mudu kaido tro hojigla isidagi. Aduna 50 minus 50 again. So 50 z cap minus 50 I cap ne ko kai tani 50 z cap minus 50 I cap se kam kumak
50 root 2.
kari
50 root 2.
50 root 2 tabra ne singabo
Kundi.
mazi towards north ham 50 z cap le ne ko then it turns left through 90 degree amina minus de kedoba minus 50 I cap le re ko so minus 50 I cap minus 50 z cap yan tabra so adugi vector ani du aina difference lower gadi kaidoni have the okay so the increase in the velocity of bus in the turning process have a ko adu di again it's a vector a minus vector b gi type ta la ani aduna magi yeng sise sige se ko 50 root 2 tai hai si kamai ne no b1 b2 b I b f har si ai natragana u and b have na pai pare u har u is equal to I can take it as 50 kilometer per hour ka is half per is 50 z cap and then it turns left to 90 degree. So V is equal to 50 minus I kept assume the turn to if the speed remains unchanged after turning, the increase in the velocity of burst in the turning process. So increase in the velocity of burst delta V is equal to V minus U, which is equal to minus 50 I cap minus 50 Z cap. So C is the but now okay, so minus 50 I cap minus 50 Z cap ko adu oiba taragadi kai tarni hai matamda naina sigisi 100 tarni natra kaino hai matamda sigi vector ani se naina kidoni hai matamda minus se common lorga natragana hoi minus se common lorga ko kaidoba 50 I cap plus 50 Z cap ana sumaina harsu yabra yai ka. So this is delta V. Auna actually the mazi from the chasara money of the mazi from the 90 degree the turn to hamina haglega mazi see the wa from the chale aduna magi direction z sida late ne ba auna I plus z direction d same with the kaino have the again minus I and kadoba minus z ka aduna the increase in velocity of the bus in the turning process is an have a car. So the velocity would hangalani velocity hangatavana the velocity change there car. Now if the speed remains unchanged, magi magnitude 50 them late in car. So this is 50 z cap and this is 50 minus I cap right there. My late in car. Aduna CG put on adu oiba taragadi this and this aduna sum tawrne amarom daragadi ko ana sum taw matamdadi magi kaidawa season delta v duneba ko aduga magi sum taw taragadi kai tane of the delta v only magnitude putoke haragadi nene hena khangre ngasai do a square plus b square minus twice a plus twice a b kai no this sum type siga chapada chi sum type ko ana si se let's say this is again adum mai see this vector minus this vector c vector sem ta ding masang laser ko auna madi kai duba 50 square plus 50 square neba natra mani ko again minus twice ab have the minus twice 50 into 50 into cos 90 so cos 90 is 0 sakre aduna adu yaw right auna 2 into 50 square neba ko adu the 50 root 2 tar neba that will become 50 root 2 the magnitude ka of the 50 into 1.41 so 515 5420 51567 and then point again 17 ina sorry 15 ina ko isim ta height to na tinoy disu kanjalambe so 7050 the point nam di ko 7050 the point nam magadi 70.5 tare kay gino mo 70.7 tare ja 515 ko 5420 what is wrong 515 5420 51567 okay so moi sida 1.41 something kay normal lower money adutugi kano lakpay ni ko but anyway 70.7 si mayata money aduga magi direction 70.7 si direction si ani sui along southwest haibam ga along northwest haibam ga ko so sigi sidi karamba ta do mali
Turn northwest
along northwest ka so the increase in the velocity of bus in the turning process is along northwest right ka northwest ki direction na chali dana sa ai somna north ne ba somna south ne ba ka somna west ne ba ka somna east ne ba on the final velocity is this is turning along northwest ka adumai legi de I increase in velocity ka increase in velocity is this minus this and along northwest so option D is the right answer ka okay fine that's great now sisi yarba yare ko no ni mak yarba
Oh, sir. Yeah.
So mathang the motion in a plane with constant acceleration is the current question and then relative velocity in 2 dimensions ka. So motion in a plane with constant acceleration when an object is shot from the bottom of a long smooth inclined plane kept at an angle 60 degrees with horizontal, it can travel a distance x1 along the plane, but when the inclination is decreased to 30 degrees and the same object is shot with the same velocity, it can travel x2 distance. Then what is the ratio na? Sisi tausira, taurosira, amgadra.
Sir, tause.
Okay. Yamna live question ko sisa. Ngasagi smooth inclined plane gi bottom de shoin kape mana silere. Adagi ke dawa 60 degree da. But 30 degree kapa matam dana magi si kaida layer ba. 30 degree kapa matam dana sumai layer. So the distance x1 and x2. Let's say this is x1. Let's say this is x2. This is O. So sigi sida karam mana heni har gadi option number C ma yadre option number A B C C yai ke di akon machine hena strawdam ni ko. So noina sisi kamay puto kani habda yam live x1 by x2 puto am ni ko mo haje. Ona x1 by x2. So what is x1? Same velocity the copy but at different angles and magi kenozi kaitani hai matam the u harga cos 60 degree divided by u cos 30 degree lani. So cos 60 degree no half cos 30 degree no root 3 by 2 2 ka kreka ona 1 by root 3 tabra. Aina to is velocity and is components but again velocity into time distance sabti managadam ni ko. It can then x1 is to x2 high whenever it can travel x1 along the plane, but when the inclination decreases to this and the same it can travel x2 distance. Chumigena. Cos 60z sin 30 ka manai half cos 30 na sin 60 ka manai root 3 by 2. So 1 by root 3 1 by root 3 yaw di sine khali ji yaw is di option number D tare ko yarba.
Oh, sir.
Now noina hang biya sir kaino CCD distance ne CD velocity ne na kaino distance ki dimension velocity dimension man dena hai but kaino hai matam da CG velocity u ko 60 degrees na lorise aseng bedi aina si sumai project to gi matam da magi component ani khaidokani si u ne ko si angle theta da project to matam da som da leiba velocity component ji u cos theta oini ba som da leiba velocity component ji na kai oini u sin theta oini ba yaning bra du de
Oh, sir, yaning
ko so aduna kaidowi habda akoina yung sida ko u ko sita ji somda so aduna mana asengmudi si ani jina ko kamaina operate to ge ha matamda always motion in a plane ji koina ina matamda vector ani na operate to en khan gdu ne ba u sin theta gi magi mathau jina mathak ta chingat pa and u ko sita mathau jina mathak ta langkhali ba poche kakhat pa matamda at every kaidawa instant at every instant ta mana sumaina paikhala ko matam da dum chingdu ne ba aduna straight ta paikhala roi sum chingmaina sum chingmai swain le ne tarak ko matam da ju u sin theta ji negative word tarakani ba so sigi tarak again u sin theta gi one the acceleration le be ni ko so aduda ke we have matam da tarak ko matam ji da ju ngasai gi som da le u cos theta du di hong da bani na tarak ko matam da straight ta tar oi ba at every instant sum chingmani na phaina tarakani ba ona sumain paikhala sumain tarakanibuko sumain toroga sumain taroiba gyan tai ko aise aduna again sir na noida projectile motion haji talakadore ko haji pudi taktri so adu dum lere aduga u ko sita sida aina same time t na into togodoine ko kai sir same time t na into togodoino na hangagadi okay, so with it can travel a distance one, and but when the inclination is decreased to 30 degree, then again, no, see same time t je see the t into t t do ka crane low way ne because sir na, but adugi same time t do kay the way same or do no higher the d haziki way na di sir na noida high value yadre. See question the projectile motion and that so let's do projectile first. I don't direct projectile motion taksha lage ka. I didn't find okay fine projectile motion z adum hana dai fadana clear oibra natraga kitang luyena khanbra ni biya sanjana hairo hello
Tai sir.
yes hairo
Kitang what?
kitang wat male ka okay kano ni adum haidi no idum kano ram siada clear haidi adum clear hana dai ko kisham duba area nate do yung ko sir na kamain takena so report si ina sumaina lang badagi maji sigi sida sumain to chatlen lor seba ko duna karino mana yadribasi I don't know lock label yare kidoroge okay yare ka so now kida we have the yam ka kano to na yengo mun na yengo this is my initial velocity u ka and then cz kidor can have the my lani next ka daidi mathang the sim pass dana sumain sumain lani mathang dana pai bang dijam sumain pai da dunya ba so sumain lani and mathang dana manang sai take the sang the si sim la kani ba ka aduna ito we have the isha yung na passion din ba so sila ne now observe very carefully the horizontal and the vertical components ka so I'll take horizontal as green so green gi si kitang dark kitang chawhon na loge ka mai si so aina nasai yekpasida kitang semdoktaba yaroi ko aduna si pot si CR this is not going to work now ai sigi green kitang sangba hen laba tawise sangba kitang hele ko aduna starting the live green mang lay gudani ko aroi dasu auna green ji si ji kitang sangudi henan ba mali ko sanghe singi namadam sang si ade aduna copy tawraga sida hapsalo adagi adagi si copy tawraga no So CG copy तौरगा सिदा हापो अमा इजम सांगवनग्रे नई केनो ओके को लोइदरे so CG तौरगा सिदा हापदुनी ऐना रेट याम सांगवनग्रा को अदुदनी रेट सिदा हेना सांगवदी यादबनी अदुना रेट मुतके सी यामना ऐना याम फजना येइसे कईनो मतमदा सुमाइना ने याम फजना क्रिस्टल क्लियर होइना येक्तबा यादबैने को अदुगिनी नई खंगकनी जिको so sumain tawraga si sumain leini and then sidagi sumain tawraga sida lakani and rate to sida jareko and then sidagi sumain taw si chatkani ko now aina mathaki vertical component si blue color in sinage ko sumain tawraga blue component si leini and sumain tawraga blue component si sumain leini and sumain tawraga blue component si sumain leini and sumain tawraga blue component si sumain leini ko now noina kari observe tawba phangi haba matamda akoina blue ze na kaino blue ze horko matamda u cos theta ne ko and green ze na horko matamda kaino u sin theta ne ko theta haijina it is this angle yare ko projectile motion sida khwaide maru warise aduda noina kai observe tawba phangi habda green vector ji sangba dum houde loi phawa samanabra Nivia Sanjana tabra
Oh, sir, tay. Oh, sir, tay.
green vector ji houde loi bok sang ji chap manadra
Oh, sir.
kaigino ha matamda green vector u sin theta u z velocity ni sin theta it's just my value my sin theta dona into tawsalani dona wa my u de khara less oirani but it's still a velocity so u sin theta is sum hong oiba it will remain constant why because there is no force no gravity along the horizontal axis sida force kaim leiteba aduna u sin theta se adum u sin theta oir leini but u cos theta di hongni kaido u cos theta ji hongdana matamda gravity leibani na nang mathak langkat pada akoina motion in a straight line gi keno gi da kinematic equation to bodo adu gi type ta u cos theta ji my gi velocity is vertical direction the lay but vertical direction the di gravity my weight leibani gravity leibani ma si acceleration gi opposite ne ba mathak ta kakat pai ja na tapthara kani ba auna u cos theta di aina sin theta ga cos theta lo ju onare no ju kan hack ta bi ne to is adu di Ozani is go Saturday the session now the hectraga. Okay. Anyway, keduba u sin theta ze this is the vertical direction the gravity lai bena acceleration the negative hoi bena sum taptharak pagi kedu we have matam da si mayam sangam ba si tensor le and sidadi kedore sidadi sunga yorok tre u sin theta lai tre ba sida awna ma race ta lai ne ba vertically race lai bani ko horizontally the race sungai leite kaigino habda asengudi projectile motion je kuin sumaina ugadam ne sir na habdo aziki pochi mathak straight ka khalaga sidai tarak panen khandoi ne kainu sir ma di sumain chat is de amta tago ko sidai straight ka khalaga si ma pa si bo ka khala tarak pa chap manai u sin theta na mathak pukhale aduga u sin theta le jar sumandra ga sum tapthara ga highest point di race le ni ko for a momentarily race le ni highest point da aduga amka makha ta ko sum yang khala ga ground no yei dine ko but kakhat pa en kumdara pa at every instant u cos theta yaubani na ma si kakhat pa straight ka kakhat loi ba u cos theta na ching ni ba che la pu ni ba duna straight ka kakhat pa do ma so en phai nu ka khala ni tarak pa da ju u cos theta je dum nei bani na adum thain to tarak ni ba gyan tai ta de tai ko aduna this is still u cos theta this is still u cos theta this is still u cos theta this is still doctrine this is still u cos theta ko but si me am di loin u sin theta ra ga ni natte ba ko si sim ka u sin theta wa ni magnitude ta but other the rest they are not ito ba u sin theta kai no di kano change to re ba ko ma gi value to change to re ba yan tai ko isa na ho bu ga loi ba ka tang u sin theta wa ni this is not u sin theta kai no di my value to change to re ba ko na aduna si khang ba tar ga di akoina kedo we have the time of flight han putoksi ko yam lai munne yo time of flight si akoina kamay putokani and formula si yam lai ko adu yung ko ne time of flight si kaino ha matamda akoina time of flight putoke haragadi ne vertical axis sizinani ko kaino di ma paikhatpa and tarakpa sorry again pi with the ko okay horizontally zu pi matam mudi changi but chain si only mathak makha da katang lay banina from the horizontal na di horizontal gi di kayuma ground yeram der gi dum ching ye have never but time of flight si da koina puto isi di kaina matam na ma ji kyam kuina mathak ta lay ground da thing da bi da have ne ko aduna akoi kamay putokani ha matam da vertical axis ki season ar putoni so akoina t yawa kinematic equation season adune ko so kinematic equation the t yaw is equal to b equal to u plus at natra and then sir s equal to ut plus half h squared yaw do di hai hoy this yaw but adudu sin ro khoi de live sin ji ko we know ke do ba b v gi mohtaina sumaina habe abriyo 0 is equal to matak to kakat ki beni ko u sin theta u ni dina minus z into t half since v is equal to u plus at. Yabra si se ngorba ngom dana
ngaude
ngaudia okay sorry noi nei hena nungai na mong de tamake ko sir na okay fine adu already it implies kaino t half t kai tarani t half t u sin theta by z tarba but again adu the total time di therefore total time di kakat pada u sin theta by z sange tarak pada su u sin theta by z sange aduna twice u sin theta by z this is the formula for time of flight as simple as that now mathang ng torzi mathang na kaino have the maximum height so maximum height na muka koi kai sin as ge ha matam da koi na time je khangam ni na s equal to ut plus half at square to 0 natragana v square equal to u square plus twice as to one fabra yes adu in torge ko a do khangmen so we know v square is equal to u square plus twice as like so v square is 0 square ni u square di u square sine square theta minus twice z into maximum height. Or the maximum height is kay u square sine square theta by kay 2z. Yar ba? Yan tade?
tai
Yar ko. Yam tina lai bra. Then mathang da kay pay gray lines. Kitang chakat ke ka na tragedi nungar. Now mathang da kuina horizontal range puthozi ka. Horizontal range ki di we'll use s is equal to ut plus half at square. Now what is my s? S to range in kalage. Now horizontal direction I use u sin theta lo bi aroi ko u cos theta lo gudam ne ko horizontal direction gi di. Auna u cos theta into t di kaino si gi se total times. Auna twice u sin theta by harga z haitare ko so sisi loni da noina sisi kai gamba yamna samalli sir nuaite harga na ai kena toge sisi sumai hapke ko aduna into capital T ne ko kai you know have the again plus harga half into 0 into t square you know that there is no acceleration along the x-axis. X-axis the gravity laite, force laite, aduna acceleration ji leiroiba ko adiwani. Aduna noina adu clear oiba taragadi kai lei ha matamda u ga the u square layer, then twice sin theta cos theta the sin 2 theta layer ko divided by z. Yarba, so that is the formula for range. As simple as that ko. CC combine line have the since the twice sin theta cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta. Yan dai ko ICZ zan re dan lakis. Ama yung praktar ka din yung. Don't worry, I will cover so this. So my lady neighbor ko. Yar ba ma'am? Sige sir.
Oh, sir.
Okay. Yani ko. Aduna CG formula sida latpa yade projectile motion gida su kuina time period ka odagi magi maximum height, horizontal range CG formula sida absolutely crystal clear legidamni do noina. C time period ka je b equal to u plus at the time period or time of flight ki d noina vertical pandani maximum height so vertical pandani horizontal na again horizontal dum pantare my range puto kena horizontal pantare ko kay you know di mak kayam sana chat ke have di na dum edi ngasagi u cos theta na sing bai ni na mana from direction the lai se ko aduna u cos theta pan ga ne ba u sin theta pan bia de ko auna noina kay da wi ham matam da noina khang ga du je me noina ko noina khang du je kay na have da let's say sige sida vertical oirgana u sin theta sizinagada ba horizontal oirgana kay sinadeba u cos theta sinagadeba ko and ani sida amuka vertical da di u sin theta sizinabda natana a du kay doba z oini ko a du minus z oibi or plus z oibi aduna plus minus z hedi tarakpa makakum tarakpa ko ani mak laibani na ko natragana a is equal to z haizira then harage ko a do z oin sinaw ko and u cos theta that a is equal to 0. There is no acceleration. So mind like diba. Aduna, si siman no if you keep this in mind, then the projectile motion the any question hang pamatam no dum solve to nga mani ko. So let's proceed then. Eh aduragadi ngai ko ay hijik da kay ken kitang nay na hogi ko. Now maximum horizontal range karam kanda kwai chawni habida si formula si yenga kay haba ngami naina nibya and nihak sorry sanjana ko sir kinam hangke si sumay na late okay si den bera guys ko si comment to pian okay si sumay na ko okay so nibya and si kanto is sir na ji sigine screen ji makhagi part sida kanjan bra screen ja kanjan dia oh yeah kanjan raga dia so sir noi di kinam hangi ko sin theta ki values in saugen of the kya ta ve
1.
very good 1 cos theta su saugen of the kya ta ve
1.
Okay fine okay ani mak sanjana na ngata kuma male nibya su dum khang mona tra nibya
Oh, sir. Okay.
okay fine great adu oi batar gadi saigi si se asi myam si yeng je ko time of flight si di kai no ha matam da sin theta na 1 ta gi matam da 2u by z ta bra
Oh, sir.
so sin theta ji 1 ta han gya gadi theta ji kai oini 90 degree oi ro
Oh, sir.
aduna pot ama ji nang na khwai le pui na pa han gya gadi yung na lang khat ka da ba phai ne lang gi thu na tar ka ne ba yung na lang khat ka da ba gyan dai ta de
Dai.
dai ko okay fine yung langkat kani. Then mathang da horizontal range ki yung yeng na sebo ko. Sisu dum sin 90 degree ko. Aduna sin 90 degree one ni aduna kay no da maximum height kwai di wang na kakad hangya ga straight lang kakadam ne ba. Kitang phairu raga di ma kitang kakat pa warak kitang watlak kani ba kakat pa do. Ana maximum height yauhange har ga di always kay dawni habda straight ta yung lang kani ba straight ta. Kyan data de
Tay, sir.
tai. Adagi horizontal range maximum phangi har ga di kay no habda according to formula sida kay lay sin 2 theta lay bra. Audi sin 2 theta z1 tan ga ga di 2 theta z90 ta ga dam na tra. Kay no sin of something ne 2 theta 3 theta 10 theta x sin y any jo jitna ho nimbo jisanu sin of some angle whether it's 2 theta or 3 theta should be the maximum value of sin of any angle is equal to 1. So sin 2 theta is in 1 oy matam da sigi range ko dai maximum oy na khan gadu ne ko aduna either we have the c range c maximum oy do c u square z into 1 ai da sin 2 theta no 1 or ko matam da kay no di u do di mai masai piram mane change so ya pote ko aduna z ga u ga do di fix adum or ni condition but same u for a given u ko what is the maximum range and higher gadi again magi maximum range I'm not what is its horizontal range higher gadi use cos sin theta by z ne but any theta do karamba theta da thamaga khwaidagi chawba range phange higher gadi sin 2 theta do 1 tarakpa matam da ne ba so 2 theta have the sin 2 theta do 1 target 2 theta do 90 ga managa da the theta do 45 ka manani ko so at an angle 45 degree we will get the maximum horizontal range I didn't gyan taita de
Tay, sir.
time. Now, if this theta is 60 degree, then sine 2 into 60 di kya no?
120.
Yes, 120. So sine 120 di kay gamane? Kangbra. 90 plus 30 natra 120 di?
Root 3 p2.
Nate. Sine 120 is 90 plus 30 natro.
Oh, sir.
Sine 120 is sine of 90 plus 30 degree ne ko. So adu ibita araga di kay na the CD kay do ba sine gidi kay na CD have the ASTC rule palaga no sida cos 30 degree araga second quadrant de sine positive hoy cos 30 ga manani cos 30 di root 3 by 2 dum tarba yare ko adu sine 60 degree di kay na adu sudum root 3 by 2 tadra tai ko
Oh, sir.
habidi sir na hining is kay no have the CC sine 2 into 60 degree ne ko CC na sine 2 into 30 degree ne ko aduna ay padamtang phone pe kala kina to ko hello itaw how hmm 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 okay oh yam pare itaw de hoy okay hoy hoy hmm hmm Okay, sorry. I kitang kinatawag man ko yung mga maris. So, kaya ugres kita. Sisineba ko. Aduna, sir nang sa mamang question nam tawag do. U cos 60 U dagi kedo ba? U cos 30 into matam na magi distance 30 degree da langgera 60 degree da langgera my range ki formula di chap mana in have do. Sir na. Abdi sorry range ki formula chap mana have na te. Nasagi do kedo ba? U cos theta ga U cos 30 ga lak do. Sisa kitang hena ne. Fazana tawge haga di no sida range ki formula ji pan de ne baseng mudi. Yan dai ga ja. So adu oina pala tawrsi ko aduna hena noida nungairani. So range ki formula hero Nivea Sanjana hero range ki formula
R equal to U square sin 2 theta by Z.
very good. U square sin 2 theta by Z ne ba ko. So U square ju loin kakra ba. Kakre ko. Adu okay adu bodi thamage natraga thingawani. U square sin 2 theta by Z. Dain tawdana sidasu samane U square sin harga sin 2 theta by Z mo to sumain tawzi. 2 into 60 degree na okay 2 into 60 dam thamage ko and 2 into 30 degree thamage ko divided by k divided by z so sisil an ka krakanda sin 120 sin 120 degree no abda sin 120 d cos 30 ga manai cos 30 d root 3 by 2 eh ai is lalem na yingsi ko and then 30 na tra decrease to 30 so 30 into 2 degree no 60 so sin 60 degree no root 3 by 2 should out there wait a second so sin 2 into 60 degree 30 degree ga kapa matamda pod anizi managadra haibdi wane ko sarna jikta haigibdu kaisa crisis ne ko aduna sin 2 into 60 sin 2 into 30 so 60 into 2 the 120 120 the 90 plus 30 so sin 930 the cos 30 ga manai ka okay second quadrant in a positive warning so root 3 by 2 tarani ka and then c is sin 2 into 30 sin 60 degree and sin 60 degree the root 3 by 2 so root 3 by 2 u square by z tarani aduna 30 degree kappa 60 degree kappa ka chap manabne range se ka yes chap ti manabne time of flight manata bai wane ka okay adu regarding a question jido amtang pa ge ko masai ha bai when an object is shot from bottom and long small inclined plane given an angle 60 degree, it can travel a distance x1 along the plane. But when the inclination is decreased to 30 degree, the same object is shot with the same velocity, it can travel x2 distance. I have never call. Yun nga, skinny yung polo siya ito. Ay, imtang lagi ka. Hello, kini, how? Ay, kinutrok yung atang netok pa yagadra. Hoy. Perfect tam na. Okay, so the same object is shot with the same velocity, it can travel x2 distance, then x1 is to x2 have an ever got. So, okay. But when the inclination is decreased to 30 degree, then the same object is shot with the same velocity, it can travel distance x2, then x1 is to x2 have a. So, mo is the kaigumba kuina ziki horizontal range ki formula pan bataragadi ani si chap managado ne ba ko. But horizontal range ki formula pan de bidang sa gido palagana but again nga sa gido kay do pan do no have to do one ever. So x1 by x2 c u square sine 2 theta by z chap manabam ni thokani kaino kaidawai manadrino. That's strange. U cos theta is the velocity, and velocity into time. So moi time the different time chang ni ko 1:1 yaw the answer se. Let's see the answer. Yeng ji ko. Question number kya no? Question number ji ki da 15 la. 15 moi ngasai gi sir no hot pa da di adu style da holam do mal. What? Ai ne question ji la na pai ro ke no. Oh, question la na pare. Sanjana, Nivya tabra.
Tay, sir.
Adu noi di khang da bra bang ngasai gi sir na question ji la na pare je. Sir na khali jina smooth inclined plane amada sumain ka plane khalure adu oiram re. Ko, my bad. La na set creator sumain smooth inclined plane si ni ko. Si da pot ama ka khale hamne ba. Some kana some ke da wa pot ama sumain si gi block si smooth inclined plane ji da ka khat pane ba sumain ka khat pa matam ji da my angle ji theta oi ba ko. Aduna ma ji it can travel a distance x1 along the plane. Aduni ma ji si bo ka khale ba. Adui C की total distance okay no this is x1 ne ba gyan dai ko and c is theta equal to whatever 60 degree da theta equal to 30 degree da na kayam ka khat tu no have ne ba adi pochi la le into ko aduna acceleration ni kai no have the my si the force z le ni ko aduna some direction the kai le ni si theta le ni na si da si kai le ni si da so si da perpendicular over c ko duga sida theta learnina this is z cos c z sin theta labor se yan tabra and some side na z cos theta ladiba yan theta de tai ko aduna pot se kaino have the aham bagi distance s c akoina kai pan be have the v square is equal to u square plus twice as laidina ko s is equal to v square minus u square by twice a c की formula si pan si ko aduna c formula si kuina kamaina pan gani ha matamda aham bagi do x1 is equal to v square is 0 ni minus u square u square ni then twice z into kaino sin 60 degree yare ko similarly x2 is equal to minus u square by this is u nico u square by kaino 2z sin 30 degree yare ko aduragadi therefore x1 by x2 is equal to si makha da leibanina ai si samning ko nai answer budi tare wakhan jida kai tane haro answer
1:√3.
okay so si kaino half na si 1 by half ti 2 tarni ko and sin 60 degree di kaino 1 by root 3 by 2 ne ba ko so sida root 3 by 2 tarni and mathak ki sida na half to mathak ta kakhalakadra 1 by half to mathak ta kakhalani half tarni so kakpo matamda 1 is to root 3 tare ko so ngasai gi option D du di tare but sumai hot kadam ne ba ngasai gi ko to di la le ko ai ju bab oi ho dre ne smooth inclined plane from the bottom incline je baho ai di bab ta sumai oi ho dra ba din so gyan tabra si sa kai do ji sin theta oi no ji khangbra ji koina resolve to ga c gi direction ji da magi ma kapkhat ki velocity u da kapkhat ki bine ko c yor ko matam da b equal to 0 le ne ba gyan tabra isa and then my acceleration to the z sin theta is negative some side to lay banina ma z sin theta na maram orga ma u da chalam badu b da la ka do ni sum tap thara ka do ni ba ko so si gyan ta ngambra sanjana ni biya gyan ta ngambra
Oh, sir.
mami ko atum live ni da ka shulu da aina projectile motion ngam an taksal re ki straight ki incline plane ki question da anyway projectile motion ju koi sin na ni ko okay adudi question number 16 ji dingam gadra yang question number 16 17 Pochira ngamgadra U pyramid A
Yarani.
pyramid V puto aiba after 10 seconds T ju pyramid tadra
Oh, sir.
okay fine sanjana ma yarni hare ko nibyadi what about nibya
Yarani.
yarni okay so yarni hare gadi answer ji kai tane haro
5 root 2.
5 root 2 aba adi 1.41 into 5 adu gadi 5 4 21 plus 6 7 adu di yaudo male da 5 root 2 there so sir hare ke ko
16
you
have ni, sir.
ke haba 7 root 2
16
habra
gi. 16 gi answer hai ba.
15 ni answer haba
16 gi answer do 5 root
oh
2
okay
hai
okay
ba.
okay 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 aina keno da yengore aina 17 yengore a particle is in this and this the magnitude of velocity after 10 seconds okay fine 17 the yeng aina okay this is 5 root 2 have never got okay fine so acceleration E is equal to V minus U so by T hai tare ko so V do X nen lo so X minus 2 by 10 is equal to x minus 3 by 10 10 do 0.3 da torgadi 3 do kay no 2 minus x mana x minus 2 ko mana ni au na x minus 2 ni na x to puto kaya gadi 3 plus 2 5 tare and 2 plus 3 so 5 tare aduna di kay tare habda 5 ka ngata tare aduna 5 square plus 5 square ne ko so the 5 root 2 tare ko so that's right question number 16 is b tare ni ko chichume question number 17 this and this expression is speed after 10 seconds chichu ngamni ko chamani sijiga the question number 18 a man is slipping on a frictionless inclined plane and a bag falls down from the same height then the velocity of both is related as and I have got so ccd cd hot kadam nate ko noi khalla har kadin nupa ma sigi planes they nandare en khalone and I got and a bag falls down from the same height nupa in nandarak ba amana bag to direct down tarak pa itai then the velocity of both is related as nupa the velocity duga back to velocity duga karamana hengani managadra kanane hen haro nivya sanjana haro mana ni ko okay mana dusi kai gino kumaktre adum khangjoga kaiba mana dusi same height do bine ba
Nate.
okay natte hai adudi kai gino nate wamai ge ko ni biasu sanjana ju noi background noise late to male duna mic to dum on to thamo dagi kahne mi ji yamdam ni na ko mic on to thamo do adum kumo ba sar na ngi jaidi interactive and je session je ko so kai do bogi no mana duji kai do ba back ki velocity sina okay velocity ani mang mana ni have ne ba ko so kai do wi mana do no mic on to harga ni biasu sanjana नत्रगा खंगद्रगना खंगदे हायो कइदोबगी मानदगदोइनोबा
खंदे
निबिया खंगदे हाबको संजना खंगब्रो संजना खंगब्रा हारगा संजना इस नेटवर्क नुंगाइतो माले तोइस तत्ख्रेमा So, CC okay, fine. Nibia khangde have a man is sleeping on a frictionless inclined plane and a bag falls down from the same height. So, sigi sidai nandare and kalazi sidagi bag ama sumaina adi siki kedova simizi nandare adamana kedova bag ama simakatare. Now, frictionless oibanina magi kedova frictionless oibako frictionless haragadi saigi akoina again sisina maram oraga mangonda friction ji kemta layer roibako so but again sigi pochi mana kaigumba tarakpa taragadi sigi height si deni si tarakpa taragadi magi acceleration ji z oidene bako aduga sigi nupajina nandarakpa matamda magi di kai oini ha matamda z haraga z sin theta na chingtharakani ko magi di hajikta tawgibdune sarna kyan tabra si kaigumba theta oiba taragadi z oiba taragadi akoina resolve to matamda z I can resolve in two direction in this direction and in this direction so som side to udishina z sin theta tani bako aduga som sina z cos theta ni now z sin theta the accelerator kadeni magi se amana z the accelerator kadeba adu ergadi then the velocity of both is related as the moini is same velocity like d layroi kanana heni kada direct hadra kuduna heni so the velocity of the back will be greater than the velocity of the main de even though it is frictionless oiba taragasu z the accelerator deba ko z sin theta the accelerator oiba gyanta da brasisa sanjana yarba jikti net ta
oh sir
okay fine nang asai khalam mudu kai no sigisa manani haibra okay hajikti manaroi manadre manadabai maram dudi khangaba
sir
khangei ko amana z sin theta tarakadoi ko amana z da tarakadoi ba yandai ko aduna ani du manaba yaroi ba question number 18 question number okay relative velocity in two dimensions. Now, the speed of a swimmer in still water is this, the speed of river water is this, and is following the waves if he's standing on the south bank and he wishes to cross the river along the shortest path. The angle at which he should make his strokes with respect to the north is given by question yam lu man one yam live question is ko. So, tawzira tawrosira haro. Sir ngai ni.
Sir
Tawzira. So, okay, fine. Speed of a swimmer in still water is 20 meters per second. The speed of river water is 10 meters per second. So, river ni sidalere. So, river gi speed is 10 meters per second. And is following due is if he's standing on the south bank, this is north and this is south. And he's in the south bank and he wishes to cross the river along the shortest path. The angle at which he should make his strokes with respect to this is an hamneva. Adu ergadi mazi reverse hakazarakwane wounds anyway ngasi dressing ta ni class lower salag ang mazi kaidawi ha matamda mazi som site da mana kai mazi sumain chat kadoine ba ko sigi direction sida mana shortest path ta for example mana sumaina straight to swim to reba si direction sida ko sumain swim toreba sumain man swim to matam jida ma sida chatpa sungam gadra so chatloi phairakane ko adu ibtar gadi masi phayaloi ge har gadi kaidawi ha matamda koina siji ngatang kai nom putho thamge manji turena chentrap to loina maji sumaina phaina swim to gadamne ko asigi direction sida straight to chingbaji khitang oi si direction sida sumaina phaina maji som direction da swim to neba gyan dai gaja then kaidorakani have the turin velocity sina maji adum chenthrakane ba songi direction sida gyan dai ko so this is the turin velocity and this is his velocity hata aduga finally mana chatka doisina sigi direction shortest path chalane ba durga man so sisi khangadamni ko adu bitaragadi turin velocity di kaino 10 turin velocity kai 10 magi velocity sina kai 20 how this is put waiba adu is so simple yare ko aduna ccd noina kai moina theta put waibani sigi theta sidi kamaina putok pe find this theta adu this is the opposite by hypotenuse natra so kaidoba sin theta is equal to 10 by 20 natra the sin theta is equal to 10 by 20 the half theta is equal to 30 degree ta arba actually problem more is kenoni sir gize natang recording is post natang to let's continue sorry for the interruption koina jiktor mi to sisi ne duna sisi theta ji 30 degree ta ni ji gyan ta arba ihe aini sida a screen share ju tawdana ni khumok ten khalle to sigi sida theta ji 30 degree ta ni have si gyan ta arba ni ha
Oh, sir, ta.
Okay. Asi class di pra keno mutadre pibo mutadre ngasai pat tatle ani lecture mani tatlis okay yeah next tawsika sengi senga ba saidi siguma question ji sumai hokadam ni ji khanga ba bana yadra ba
Oh, sir.
okay adudi mathangi dong yeng si mathangi question number 20 ji dingam gadra two boys are standing at the ends A and B of a ground where AB equal to A. The boy at B starts running in a direction perpendicular to AB with velocity v1. The boy at A starts running simultaneously with velocity v and catches the other in a time t where t is blah blah. So, si sitting am gadra natraga solve tawsira
Sir, ta, sir.
tawsira ka yamna live question ni ka two boys are standing at the ends A and B of a ground where AB is equal to A. So this is A the nupam lepe and the sida nupam ga lepe. So this A and B ka and distance is A. The boy at B starts running in a direction perpendicular to AB. Okay. He runs in this direction with velocity v1. The boy at A starts running simultaneously with velocity v and catches the other in a time t. So this is the v1. The moini is kai thing I nani, she mapa thing I nani. So adu bitaragadi was we have the he catches the boy at A catches the boy at B at time t. So time t do put so it's a very simple equation. You know have the man is सी माना सी यो मतम द टाइम जी क्या चंगेबा t चंगेबा माना सी यो द टाइम जी क्या चंगेबा t चंगेबा अदु रगदि डिस्टेंस दि वेलोसिटी इनटू टाइम वेलोसिटी इनटू टाइम नत्रा अउना केदोबी या मतम दा अखोइना v into t सिसिना horizontal ni ko sisa this is equal to root over a square plus v1 into t square gyan tay ko tade tabra ngawbra
Ngaude.
ngawde very good audi t square putho ke aragadi asom dai putho aduna nangna kedoba sigi sije asom pugro aduga yela che ko adudi a square de yela ai jikido mutata zo ya a square da b square minus b1 square na yela ni ata aduga square root lower ni so it implies t is equal to a by root over v square minus b1 square that's it lower again a by okay root over a square by b square minus b1 square so kai tare answer si d tare gyan tabra si sa
Tai, sir.
tai ko hajikta hochen haibdu ni biara sanjana ra ni makla aduga hoche haiba mi du gyan tarba ba
Oh, sir, tai.
okay live ni da question number 21 the width of river is 1 kilometer the velocity of boat is 5 kilometer the boat covered the width of river in shortest time 15 minutes then the velocity of river stream is 9 si hochira yadra hairo
Arani, sir.
yani buka okay fine question number 22 is agadra a person aiming to reach exactly opposite point on the bank of a stream is swimming with the speed of this at an angle this with the direction of flow of this the speed of water in the stream is yagadra
Oh, sir.
yani question number 23 is the two particles A and B are connected by a rigid rod AB. The rod slides along perpendicular rails as shown here. The velocity of A to the left is 10 meter per second. What is the velocity of B when angle alpha is equal to 60 degree? Sidi yagadra tausira. Yam queen change.
Tause.
Tause
Tause,
buka.
sir.
Adu nui keno sarna pambadi nui jo hana khan kitang prepare ga tor khallaga la gadi sir da sin no ane aduga sarna nui the question ju thara ke atopagi ko test katang ina tabi the practice question adu ain topsi ko so anyway two particles A and B are connected by a rigid rod AB right the rod slides along perpendicular rails this is perpendicular rails the velocity of A to the left is 10 meter per second ka sina si changjala ko matam na 10 meter per second changjala what is the velocity of B when angle alpha is equal to 60 degree okay fine angle alpha then 60 degree matam da velocity of B si kai oidoi no na haibne ko okay fine so si sida koina kamaina si questions approach tawgani na haiba matam da AB se si sida ina point am thonjalage ko kai thonjan sige habada on thonjalajira okay so AB is always constant regardless of what AB will always be constant so AB is equal to harga ina okay so can I use the alpha thing with the AB O AO vector okay so V AO is equal to kayno have the AB cos alpha nebako, and OB is equal to AB sin alpha neba. Gyan dai ko. Aduga same time ni yen bataragadi velocity phangadunebako. Aduna can I write like this? AOZ moina V ni en pyramid nako. Aduna V is equal to haraga some kadoba constant matarnebako. So just 1 second ka. V is equal to some constant okay, AB have the ROI, so some constant, let's say K. Natragana AB by T has yara. Yeah, I can put the idea of AB by some T harga cos alpha. Then again, aina puthokpa pamisina kaino have the OB nebuko. So let's say this is VX and let's say this is VY. VY is some AB by T sin alpha ne khalajebuko. Aduragadi By by Vx tawba matamda sisi kakrakanda sin alpha by cos alpha by cos alpha tarebako, which is equal to tan alpha. Aduragadi Vy is equal to tan of haraga alpha di kya piram 60° pirambra into Vx di kya piram Vx 10 pirambra. Ang 10 60° di root 3 ni and 10 ni adudi 17.3 meter per second na ka. So sumayin talaga option number D sa taba. So noina sisida khanga duji kay na habda AO se sisi AO si kay na habda masaygi kaya ba AB cos alpha ne ba ko. Aduna sisida nang na change in AOD, change in this side d by dt tausan mada Vx pangani sida d by dt tausan mamatam da di akoina adu khangdabanina sida time ni adum time yela thame same time sida ji yela si kakpada yaugre aduga By by Bx puthoya kaino di aina puthok pami By ne Bx ti mo pyramid 10 ne na ko ana sumain to 17/3 taba. So sigi question ji noi keno tausulo tik tausan gadam ni ko sigi sumain to question ji noi tik tausan da ya de ko adumaina lerni aduna just take this question aduga kaidore abda okay kai sakre ko question kenoze yung giziko just question ama ni dang torga nasi class lo shala ziko ni ju kena tormani waram mani so the internet ka ba tat mani question number ay ngai ko in noi do hangri sisi yadraba yadra sisa sanjana ni biya yarba
Oh, sir, yani.
yani so do one thing sida da namjin mai na ko sigi question je kai gumba noi gi jiki noi da pyq lai ta basungya yaro pyq ji lai traga di lai yu ko adu si question tik tok solo anyway mathangda a body sent across a river with a velocity of 8 km per hour. If the resultant velocity of boat is 10 km per hour, then velocity of river is siding amnina.
Oh, sir.
So projectile motion is an attack rate and a conoida. Question amatang no in a loony can be question amakalo adu tausi aduga nasi classilo shalasi atay no try toro. So question number kamba can get kalo. You know? Question number 25 to 0, 26 to 0, 27 to 0, 28, 29, whatever 30 ka. Question may delay but screen the day si dehin na diso to ngam re ka nagpahan na ba. Karma to sige.
Sir, ako hana practice tawrage duga khangdabada hara.
Okay, adudi noi hana practice tawrage ba. Okay, anyway, adudi ne assign to question number 26 tawrage masi class lo shilaji ka.
Hoy, sir.
Question number 26 the velocity of a projectile at the initial point A is this, its velocity at point B is. Kayo ni haro adudi. Sisi solve to godam nati. Haro. Kayo ni? Ha?
Zero.
2I di change to toroy minus 3J lakadaba. Ko. So C nate ko. Option number A is yung kadaba. Sir na kay haigi projectile da. Ngasagi may horizontal component do I cap or ni sige case le si hong way ba. But vertical component su final ga sorry kay ga initial ga final ga si magnitude manani but direction opposite na ni ba. Aduna si J cap lai badu si minus J la oidro. I dum lai process same direction da. Lai ko. Yeah bro.
Outer.
Ai ko aduna 2I say 2I dum lai ni ba. But my final point is that my mathakta kakot ki makha yung taram ni na minus la kani ba Z dati ko. So option A is the right answer. Anyway, fine ko. So ngasi gidi sisida kana tok sala si ko. Ngasi gidi sila sala si ko. Thank you. Have a great day. Okay. Ngasi kay numino. Christmas na tro. Adudi ke dawa. Happy Christmas ay tam ni ko. Merry Christmas. Okay. Bye.